dead. Lay down dead and you alone up your kill up yourself for grandson and them with all pin. We want like a pin and touch him and I batty jam make him real up and I set him. Yes.
Yes. Welcome back. Today, we watch some Badras Peanut Dread Lion Nonium Grass videos. No long talking. Let's get right into it.
When you you're weak, sir.
Yeah.
It's blood. Yes, sir.
It's a blood.
I just strength all of the food you eat. And that thing you get to keep you. Yeah? Your sperm, sir. It's your blood. It's the strength when you send it now, woman, fat or fighting now. You know, see how the woman ain't fat? When you walk her without rubber, you see? And that going on. Fertilizer, you know. Bumbo clot. Fat to rascal. Then all of your strength you got get.
Me always ball it always.
You want days it take from build back that. So when you're done for woman figure you mix up honey, molasses, roots and sitting and give you know for work, you know. And you are the bull. If you for work and you're not dead, you have a dead.
Margauti.
Work. You fi sit down in a pen and getting everything. You understand? You want for your work or just
That is the only work you do.
yes.
What you have a question?
Not more.
Like
Everything provided to you. Now weak the big baby face man them weak. And mirror hello eyes. That means you are somebody we are not nobody. You don't let me down, man.
But you're not easy, you know. But yo, for real though, just notice a lady. If you don't go on nice 2 runs in a midline night and you beat out and tired, you sleep until 10 a.m. She'll wake you up this Sunday morning for breakfast. She wake up from 6 o'clock, wash, cook, clean and iron. Yeah man. Then withdraw your strength, man. Woman powerful. Woman not.
I want to kill you. You can't get up one woman and live long there your life. Push wide, push big, push deep, push shallow, and you go tell me say you go yam every day. You go Clyde to blood clot, man. I couldn't promise no woman say she alone me I go marry that at 20, 30 and tell her say she alone. I would be a fucking liar. So hold on. You don't know say every woman fuck different. Some man of them bumbo clot wife in a rest and go fuck go back. You know, when old girl fuck him and said, me blood clot, me woman a idiot. Me blood clot, woman a idiot. God, anytime I fuck him, that one them I draw fire now. Yes! No one anyway fucking woman because she said, the woman lay down dead in a rascal time alone if you kill out the whole herself. And you ask a woman, you say, boy, what will make her speak and know in tongue? What?
I true man, when the woman get too comfortable, you have to write it cloth at this one position. And you know what crazy? While she get one position, the man when she have on the side, I get 100 position. And then you know what crazy? The girl where you have on the side, I give you 99 position. I just saw the thing said. Continue renter Dread.
When him pushing tongue now your ears and feel up your balls and suck your breath them and fling pussy. So you start a breath of blood clot. Which means someone dead. Lay down dead and you alone up your kill up yourself for grandson and them with all pin. We want like a pin and touch him and I batty jam make him real up and I set him. Yes, I come lazy, you know. And everything on my mattress, same thing there. So you go down and you feel sitting in, and jump up and you set film and whap. And then rascal, whap. Yeah, man. So man don't know nothing about the pin business. You understand? You have to use one little safety pin we cut in shirt and then rascal.
Yeah.
Yes. And if it is possible, you ban in belly, make it bulge. And if you have a broad belt in a car, when then lay down and try run down way up on stomach so the going down now one tunnel, one deep hole the blood clot. It's when you band the belly, you try push it down and make it bulge. When you push if you don't mind all your seed one go down night blood clot, you say, yes man.
I am lost for words. I honestly don't know if you come and say for the last part of the video we just watched. Anyway, that is Peanut Dread. Full of drama. Theme story them just different. Man have a nasty mouth with some nasty story, but you just gotta laugh. You can't take him serious. If you take him serious, check yourself out. Seek the psych ward. Anyways, the next video of Peanut Dread is different from the rest where we always watch. This is a more conscious Peanut Dread. Like, I don't know if you need to go a rebel salute and just a come back, but watch the one.
Material things, these are things where we burnt up, it will last, then we thief it. And if you lay your heart upon it, you're gone to. So when I prophet say, all things is just vanity and vexation of spirit. Lay not your trust in nothing upon the face of the earth besides long life and health, people.
Not one lie was told just now by the Peanut Dread. Another great video. I'd assume it's a great video because I had a laugh, I had a blast, and I hope you guys will have a laugh and a blast. Tears come from the eye, hole in the belly. You see me I say, I enjoy it. One life we have to live in. We can't just watch news and hear say people are dead. Sometimes you have to watch videos that make you laugh. God damn, man. Anyways, like up a video for me, share up a video for me, subscribe on the YouTube for me. Click the notification bell. Why again? Leave a comment. Bless.